Hello again, everybody. Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Wednesday, March the 6th. These are the charts of the day. Which kind of a whippy day in Wall Street, but it ended up nice. And even with the afternoon pullback, that you had some good gains. Lots of stocks were running today. Let's take a look at a few that look interesting. 8 p.m. with a monster day on only 87 million shares. Went from literally $1.50 at one point to as high as 17 and change. Pretty amazing move. It did finish at 1028, up 871, only a 600% gain. It's still trading after hours on big volume. Usually a day like that, we can get some kind of follow through, but it is at resistance here. So, but the next target would be low 20s, 22.3. Not likely to get there, in my opinion. We'll see. AQST, I like the look of this one. Nice base. Broke out recently, ran today, had a bullish engulfing day from a low of 360 to 519. Trading about 490 after hours, up 70 cents, a 17% gain. Volume picked up to 7 million. A good day for this one. Looks like it may get a follow through. Looking about run to maybe as high as 6 or 640 tomorrow. AXTI, another big pop pullback wedge, and then today may have come out of it. Needs some buying, but the stock jumped 52 cents at 12%. Resistance now at 5.5, and then 625. Box. After breaking out and pulling back, it spiked up today, went 235 or 8.5%. 8.8 million shares traded. It's a beautiful breakout of the base. I'm now looking for 32. Then 34.5. DXCM, after platforming for a few months, it took off in the last 4 days and has gone from 113 to today's high 130, nearly 135, finishing or trading at 134.15 after hours. That's up 12.37. This one could extend as well, and especially if it gets up through the next target, which is 139. GSIT popped last week and pulled back, and now it's moving again. Today it jumped 62 cents or 17%. Volume was 650,000 roughly. That's not a lot, but for this stock, not too bad. Your target would be a retest of the spike high at about 5.5 for starters. MEDS with a big day exploded from 833 to 2122. After hours 1580 up 747, 90% gain. At 11.2 million, very good volume, but the stock has a tendency to spike and pull back, so be careful with this one. If there's a follow-through, we'd have to get back above the 21 zone and really make a big move. Swing Nktx broke out late last week and continued in this week with Monday, Tuesday stalling today. Nice 221 gain, or almost 17%. Next target will be up here at about 20. Let me change that. 18 and then 21. NTRA swing, forming a beautiful bull flag for the last 5 days. It feels like it's about to explode. If it does, I got a target in the 97.8 range. Beyond that, 105. PLTR, really good day today, up 270, 11%. Traded 250 million shares. This stock is very well, let's say I may be wrong. 220 million, still pretty close. Big volume. Up 11%. And breaking out to the highest level we've seen on this since back in 21. Extension target, if we can get up to 27.8, could be in the low 30s. QUIK, a new tech trader swing. After a pullback yesterday, recovered a little bit today. It was up about 72 cents or 4.5%. I like the look of this. It's a thin stock. This could run 19 and 21, 22 are next targets going forward. Root, unbelievable move. Has literally gone from 860 on February 21st to 46 and change today. Almost a six-fold increase in just 2 weeks. Don't know how far they can take this, but it is amazing. Next target, 50. RVSN, after a big run in January that saw it go from like $1 all the way up to 25. 23. It got hammered all the way back to 2, and then today spiked from 189 to 479, backed off to 290, up 93 cents. That's a 47% gain. 88 million shares traded. It stalled and backed off the price and 50-day moving average resistance. Should we get to that, you might have a $6, $7, $8 stock. SE, smoking it after a beautiful base. It ran up, and I'm not sure why I didn't put a swing on this one because it broke right through where I wanted it to. And it's gone from 40, just in the last week and a half, it's gone from 46 to 59. My target is 65. TALK, our swing looking good, edging up another 3.5% today, making new 52-week highs, targeting 4 and 5. VINC, excellent momentum here. Gapped up again today, got all the way up to 784, backed off to around 7, up 147. Still a big day, up 26% on 2.1 million for the stock. Momentum could carry this to the 9.5-10 zone. Viking swing is now forming a beautiful bull coil. If it pops here, we might see a big $8 to $10 move, if not more than that, just for starters, and then much higher in the 130s and 150s. And finally, WVE exploded today on positive news. 491 to 672. After hours 621, it's still up about $1.42 at 30%. There's some resistance from the December spike at 7. Let's see if we can get to that. If we do, it's Katie bar the door. This thing could really run. And that's it for tonight. And this is HP signing off. Good night, everybody.